In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a QR code using the Binance mobile app. Whether you're looking to complete a transaction, sign into a service, or simply want to explore more features on the Binance platform, understanding how to use the QR code scanning function is a valuable skill. So, let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll want to begin by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Make sure you have it downloaded and updated to the latest version for the best user experience. Once open, you'll need to log into your account. This ensures that you have full access to all of Binance's features, including the QR code scanner. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials, making sure to keep them secure. After you're logged in, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines, commonly referred to as the menu or hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on this icon. This will open a side menu with various options available to you. Moving on, the next step is to find the QR code icon, which is conveniently located on the top right section of the home screen. It might look like a small square with a cross through the middle. Tap on this icon to activate the QR code scanner. Now, because the QR code scanner relies on your phone's camera to function, you may be prompted with a request to allow camera access. If this happens, simply give it the necessary permissions. This is a standard security feature to ensure your privacy, and it's important to authorize it for the scanner to work properly. Once access is granted, you're ready to scan a QR code. Aim your phone's camera at the QR code you wish to scan. You don't need to press any button, just hover over the QR code and hold steady. The app will automatically recognize and process the QR code. It's a good idea to hold your phone at a slight distance to allow your camera to focus properly for a quick and accurate scan. The moment the camera successfully reads the QR code, Binance will take it from there. The app is designed to understand what kind of action the QR code initiates, whether it's revealing an address for cryptocurrency transactions, executing a payment, or opening up a promotional link. You'll see the related action displayed on your screen, ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to scan a QR code using the Binance mobile app. This feature is not only handy, but also enhances your ability to interact with different aspects of the platform efficiently. Enjoy exploring the numerous possibilities that only a scan away might bring. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to explore more videos for additional tips and tricks on the Binance app.